Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration I'm going to show you the issue done ratio checklist plugin feature. So before start the demonstration, you have to firstly enable the feature. So you have to go to administration on the top right corner and then select plugins. Here in the list of plugins you have to select the checklists and then configure. Afterward, on the very first tab, the general tab, you will see the set issue done ratio. So you have to check this and afterward apply your changes. So you're done, your feature is now enabled. Okay, so let's go to a project and see how this feature actually works. Okay, so we add some issue and then add the checklist. In our case we will add from a template, so it is going to be a predefined checklist. Okay, so we add our predefined checklist and leave a command, for example, adding a checklist. Okay, so by now we see that the done field, which is original Redmine field, is now 0%. And if we enable these items one by one, we will see how this percentage is going to grow. So we start checking the items. And we see how it grows. It is now 40%. So we continue to check the items. It is now 70%. And if we continue to the end, we got 100% done task. Okay, so let's go and try to disable this feature. Okay, so now we try to uncheck the checklist items. And as you can see, the 100% doesn't move because the feature is disabled. If the feature was enabled, then the 100% would have started to become less, 90%, 80%, 70%, etc. So this is how this feature works. I hope this video was helpful for you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next articles and in the next video demonstrations. Bye bye for now.